Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Seasoning and Additives 202 using Hi-Temp Cheese. Cheese is a great addition to meat snacks like snack sticks, bratwurst, or summer sausage. The advantage of high-temp cheese over other cheeses is that it's designed to hold its form through the cooking process. It's important to remember that high-temp cheese is still cheese, it's just processed in a different way. So it still needs to be stored in a fridge under 40 degrees. If it's stored like that, you can keep it for 60 days, or you can freeze it, and if you do that, you're going to get 12 to 18 months out of it. Walton's recommends that you use 1 pound of high-temp cheese of your choice to 10 pounds of meat. Some like it a little bit cheesier and some not so much, but 1 pound to 10 pounds of meat is a good starting point. Now these are cut into 1/4 inch chunks, so they're going to fit through almost any stuffing tube, meaning you can use them for things as small as the really tiny snack sticks. Now high-temp cheese will hold its form when heated up to 400 degrees. Most other cheeses start to melt between 130 and 180 degrees. Now to show you a quick example of how this differs from regular cheese, we're taking some bratwurst that I have added cheddar cheese to, and then I'm making some apple bratwurst and I'm going to add just some regular cheese that I've chunked up into that. Then we're going to cook them both in our toaster oven to 160 degrees. When I cut them open, you can see that the one that we used, the high-temp cheese, that really did hold its form, and the other ones you've got a few problems with. What you're seeing here is the cheese is melting and it's gotten stuck between the meat and the casing. Now this is just a bratwurst, so that's no big deal. It doesn't look great, but it's not a huge deal. But if you'd done this with a summer sausage or even a snack stick, well, that's going to drip down through the casing and it's going to be on the floor of your smoker and it's going to make an enormous mess. You definitely don't want that to happen. Now, a couple words on choosing the right cheese. If you're making something with a subtle or classic taste, you're probably going to be better off choosing something like the cheddar, Swiss, or mozzarella. If you're making something with a stronger taste, then you might want to try the ghost pepper cheese or just the hot pepper cheese. Now, an important note is that the ghost pepper cheese, it's not like the hot pepper cheese in that it gives a little bit of heat with some taste. This stuff has a ton of heat, but also a great taste behind it. I wouldn't be surprised at all to find that it was made with the real ghost peppers. Now, adding it to anything is going to increase the heat, and that's not always what you're looking for in cheese. So just consider yourself warned on that one. Now we carry high-temp cheddar, hot pepper, Swiss, mozzarella, and ghost pepper cheeses, and they're all available in either 1 or 5 pound bags. You can buy a little bit more sometimes to get a discount, and just keep your eyes out for it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.